Now, when you look at some of the terrible incidents, you've had terrible incidents of lynchings because of beef. They are terrible. And I have been writing and giving specific suggestions for what we should do with our criminal justice system to tackle this. It's a larger problem. It's a criminal justice problem because, we have lynchings for other issues also. We have lynchings for rapists. We have lynchings for suspected child abductors.
Yes.
And we know that people get away with impunity because they know that nothing is going to happen to them in our clogged court system. Nothing will happen for 2 decades. And that is the root of the problem.
But the political patronage also, you're talking about the courts trying to do something. Why not the politicians? Why can't the politicians come out and say something?
I think there is political patronage for these kind of extreme acts of violence across the political spectrum. I don't think it's fair to say that only one side does it. So what needs to be done is, you can take an incident of the day or incident of the week and try to spin it one way. But in reality, if you look at all this, we need fundamental changes in our system. So some of the steps that have been taken based on Supreme Court hearings, based on union government decisions about designating a senior police officer, about gathering intelligence to preempt such acts of violence, and many other things. I believe we could have done them earlier and we can still expedite them and tackle the problem.